Hi everyone, my name is Michelle and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an eyebrow tutorial as I said, so let me get to it and stop with the talking. Okay guys, right about now I'm brushing out my eyebrows using a spoolie to ensure that they are nice and neat, and so that I can be able to fill in my brows. To fill in my brows, I'm going to be using a brown eyebrow pomade. For this, you can use either the pomade or you can use an eyebrow pencil. I am filling in slightly and gradually, not overpowering my brows, because I want them to look as natural as possible. After I am done concealing my eyebrows, I proceed to blend out any harsh lines using a much flatter brush. And guys, also notice something here. Whilst I'm blending out the harsh lines, I'm also creating my desired brow shape.
Nothando, hashiwo
And guys, right about now we are almost done. In fact, we are done, because the last step that I'm about to do, it is not entirely necessary. I'm going to be adding brow gel to my eyebrows to ensure that they are nice and secure throughout the day. This step you can skip it, it is not necessary. Okay guys, we are done with this video. Thank you so much for watching, and please do subscribe, like and share. Thank you for your time. Bye.